Welcome back to Candy English Podcast. I'm Candy. I'm an English coach.
And I'm Yang.
I'm learning English.
Today, this is part 3 of our series. Why repeating the same English changes your brain. Last time, we talked about deep understanding. But today, I want to ask something. Have you ever thought, I studied English, but suddenly, one day, I could understand more?
Yes. That feels strange.
Sometimes I hear a sentence and I think, oh, I know this.
Exactly. And many learners say, I did not study this. Why do I understand?
So, what happens?
Maybe your brain was learning quietly. In the background. Like a seed growing underground.
Growing without seeing it?
Yes. Many changes are invisible before they appear. Think about children. Children hear the same words again and again. For years. And then one day they speak.
Interesting. Children do not study grammar books first.
No. First, they receive language. Again. And again. And again. Then their brains build patterns.
Patterns, not rules?
Exactly. Patterns. Your brain starts saying, I know this feeling. I heard this before. This sounds natural.
So, English becomes familiar.
Yes, and familiar language becomes easier language. This is why repeating podcasts, movies, or books can be powerful. Not because you memorize, but because your brain slowly acquires.
Acquires, not studies?
Beautiful question. Sometimes acquiring is deeper than studying. You stop translating. You stop thinking. And suddenly you understand.
Maybe that is why some learners say, I cannot explain grammar, but I know this sounds right.
Exactly. That is not magic. That is accumulated input. Small moments repeated many times.
So, repeating is building invisible strength.
Yes, invisible until one day it becomes visible.
I like that. Invisible growth.
Maybe right now you are growing too. Even if you feel stuck. Even if your English feels slow. Your brain remembers more than you think.
That makes me feel hopeful.
Me too. So today, please remember, you do not need to rush. You do not need new material every day. Sometimes coming back to the same story is enough.
Again and again.
Yes. Again and again. That is how small seeds become forests. Thank you for spending time with us today. If this podcast helped you enjoy English, please subscribe to the channel. Your subscription helps this podcast reach more English learners around the world. Don't miss the next episode. Next time, we will talk about how repeating the same stories can change not only English, but also how we see ourselves.
See you again soon.
Take care and enjoy your English journey. Bye.